All right, so there we go. We have a super fast clamp rack. It's just some 20-inch lengths of 3/4-inch PVC conduit. That's two 10-foot lengths cut down into 20-inch segments. So that'll run you probably about $6 from your local home store. And then the plywood and everything I just had around the shop lying around, a couple pieces of 2x4 in the back. So we're looking at probably somewhere in the vicinity of $10 to hold what I think is about 54 clamps right now with room to spare. And if you're willing to deal with a little bit of overlap, you can actually, I'm going to try and do this without looking, you can actually compress this quite a bit by taking the clamps and feeding the bar in between the other ones. So you could actually put a whole row on every single, on every single set of bars. If you wanted to go that way. Right now I don't have enough clamps to warrant that, so it's not a big deal. But this is just a super easy design. I like it because I can switch things around and as my clamps come and go and I change which style I'm using and everything. This should still work. I don't have to remake any clamp racks. And it's a very compact way of storing them. So that's it. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time, YouTube.